scariest thing about Halloween is permanently damaging your car's paint, like my kid. Non-reversible. Your car is your pride and joy. You love it, and it loves you. I love you. You want to keep her in pristine condition, just like my driving record. Before I bought this car. But the problem is, Mother Nature and all her forces don't agree with that plan. Yes, you could take your car to a drive-through car wash, but you could also take a screwdriver to your rims and carve in, "Here lies my dignity." First thing about an automated car wash is that metal wheel prison you get to drive into. Yes, those metal wheel clamps get to have their way with your rims. Yes, scratched. And second, many people have noted that they've had things such as their windshield wipers, antennas, and many other things torn off from those rotating rags. And not to mention, those rags will pick up dirt and other rocks that leave billions of tiny scratches all across your baby. And third, they spray your car with hydrofluoric acid. Yeah, that's not a metaphor. Hydrofluoric acid. You know, the same stuff that they use to dissolve bodies on Breaking Bad. And lastly, unless that water's clean enough to be used in a medical saline solution, you also have to worry about water spots. And that water that's left behind, sure, it'll dry and leave permanent damage. What about hand car washes? Humans. They're found at the fanciest car washes. They're the best, right? Wrong. Take a look at the rags they use. They make the mistake of using the same rag on multiple cars, picking up micro rocks from one and applying to the next. And pay attention to how many times they drop those rags, and then pick them back up and apply them to your car like nothing ever happened. So what is the right way to wash your car? Because it's definitely not with that. Introducing Proje Car Care products. Best car care in the world. No, Proje is not a joke. And yes, it will keep your car pristine without billions of tiny scratches or the use of hydrofluoric acid. It's science, really. No, really, it's science. Holy sh... Pina colada! The difference is, when you properly wash your car with quality products, you will not be introducing scratches to them because you're using a product that encapsulates dirt, removes the dirt, and adds a protective layer to your vehicle, which will protect from UV rays, dust, dirt, grime, and dad jokes. Hi, hungry? I'm Dad. Proje scientists have been formulating a patented car care chemistry for over 25 years, and they found out what works and what doesn't. And we assembled the greatest car care products in the world! And boy, do I have a surprise for you. Today, I am giving the Proje Detailing Kit number 3, which includes Vital Car Wash, Redline Wheel Cleaner, Fusion Tire Dressing, Genesis Glass Cleaner, No Car Scent, which is scientifically proven to make you feel better when you get into your car. Kind of like a nice glass of whiskey on ice after a breakup. It also comes with a tire brush, a wash mitt, a window towel, 2 applicator pads, and a sexy yet functional box. Kind of like me. Sexy, functional, detailed. Now all of these top of the food chain products would normally retail you $120. But if you order your Proje Detailing Kit number 3 today, you will get it for $60 with fast, free shipping. Plus, use code Halloween at checkout, and you'll also receive a free bottle of Surge Quick Detail Spray. Yes, normally $17.99 with tax and shipping, but yours today 100% free. Plus, if you are one of the first 30 people to use code Halloween at checkout, you will also receive 3 super soft microfiber towels, normally $13.99 plus tax and shipping. Yours today, absolutely free! Oh yeah. So if you or someone you know drives a car, have them click right here to order Detail Kit number 3. It's good. It's real good. Don't just take it from us. This Proje Detailing Kit has a 5-star review. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because this kit is a revelation. Unlike that seafood I ate last night. That had a 1-star review. should have done my research. And you paid good money for your car. Don't cheap out on your products, like I did on this costume. Your car was thousands of dollars. This is $60. $60 for upkeep. I've paid more for a Brazilian. Do you want to see it? I can't show him my Brazilian? What do you mean it's not allowed? Order the kit. I'm out.